Hello friend, today I want to show you how to fix not on, only just not showing anything. How to fix this problem, only showing black when is put a charging, but is not showing. See there, this one I have model A3 core, A01, M01, all models. A2 core is same method. See nicely complete video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. Press power button, volume down and volume up. Hold it, don't leave it. Long press. You see? No, this phone is on. Is 100%. This phone now is done. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, never miss any videos. You see, this phone now is done. Is put it pattern lock, password, 100%. This phone is done. You have SIM lock, is open and use it. Don't have any problem.